Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone pin pattern and password. And if you're watching this video, it means I'm sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password. So don't worry at all. At the end of this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the what I am going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. And further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. What is the reason why sometimes these type of tricks don't work to unlock your phone. Before revealing this method, there are some important things that I will also like to tell you, my friend. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%, otherwise whatever data in your phone may be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your smartphone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or older videos. And for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and walk with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning the method, mentioning in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now, as you know, my friend, this method is known as the offline unlocking method. Now you can see here my phone is on Wi-Fi network. You can see here my phone's Wi-Fi network has been activated. And if your phone is also showing any type of a network like Wi-Fi network or a telecommunication network, firstly you will have to close all the network by clicking on this airplane mode. You can see here there is an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to click on this option to close all the running to close all the network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to activate my phone's airplane mode. Now you can see here my Wi-Fi network has been switched off. Now one more thing you will have to do with your phone before going with the engineer's mode or master unlocking method. Firstly, you will have to close all the background running application. When your phone was not locked, it's sure your phone will be running some applications. Okay, firstly you will have to close all the running application. So generally it is not possible to close all the running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the service center. After 2 or 3 days this secret code updates. Okay, so today's recent secret code, what you have to go with your phone to close all the background running application, that is you will have to feed this secret code in the emergency call option. You can see here there is an emergency call option at the bottom of this phone. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option you will get a such type of dialing pad. Simply you will have to dial this secret code in this dialing pad. And today's recent secret code is star 999, then star 00, then star 2 3 and 4. Okay, now after this you will have to click on finally hash. After dialing this, after feeding this number, you will have to call on this number, and when you will call on this number you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button, and you will have to call on this number 3 times continuously, and you will have to click on this OK option continuously 3 times. After doing this, your all the background running application will be closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking method to unlock your forgotten pin pattern and password. Now you will have to, after this you will have to simply clear your call log like this. Now a USSD code what I am going to give you is very important to reach to the engineer's mode. So this secret USSD code is star hash 899 then hash. After dialing this number, you can see here a page has been appeared on my phone's display. That page name is engineer's mode, or it's also known as master unlocking mode. Okay, now you will also get a lots of option on this page. You can see here, but you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th position. You can see here you will have to go with this option because all the function have the specific all the keys have the specific function. Okay, but in this video I will only give you what is the method to unlock your forgotten pin pattern and password. So simply you will have to go with this option, that is software version, and when you will click on this software version you will reach to a new page, and you will also get a model number. You can see here there is an option of a model number, that is RMX2117. It's your phone's model number, so you don't have to go with this option. Okay, it's generally knowledge to get your what's your phone model number. Okay, sorry. Now you can see here there is an option of Android version 12. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 11 or 13, okay. And if your Android version is showing here 13, it means you will have to click on this option 13 times rapidly. But here my phone's Android version is 12. It means I will have to click on this option 12 times rapidly like this. What I am going to do here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now the first step of unlocking method has been done. Now after this you will have to simply go with the back button, and when you will click on back button you will reach to the previous page and you will get another option above the software version. You can see here that is a manual test option. Now after this you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this option you will reach to a new page like this, that is assembly test project. Now you can see here there are also a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. You will have to simply slide your phone right side like this until you reach to the option of other. Now you can see at the end of this page the other option has been appeared on my phone's display, and there are also 5 type of option on this page. You can see here the first option is the screen backlight test, the second option is read write important lock test. You can see here there is an option of a database version at the 4th number, okay, and it's also known as mainboard version, okay, but both have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. You will have to simply click on this database version or mainboard version 9 times rapidly like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now the third most important step has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of read write important lock test at the 2nd number. You can see here. Now you will have to go with this option. You will have to simply click on this option, and when you will click on this option you will ask to confirm a pop-up, okay. You will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this with the OK button. You will have to simply cancel this option, and again you will have to do the same process. So you will have to click on read write important lock test. Again you will have to cancel it, and you will have to do this process 3 times continuously. After doing this process 3 times, when you will click on this option 4th time, you will have to go with the OK button, okay. Now when you will click on OK button, it means your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are in reconstruction mode, okay. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Now the most and the very last process what I am going to give you is most important, okay, and if you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock, my friend. It means you will have to watch this video again. So if you want to unlock your phone, you will have to be proper and follow every step with the proper way, okay. Even after you will also unlock your phone, okay. Now you can see here you will simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging page. Now you can see here there is an option of a device debugging page, and you will also get a lots of option on this page. You can see here from top to bottom there are lots of option here. Now you can see here the first option is check a small board, match main board like this, fingerprint test, second option, third option keypad test, but you don't have to go with any option. Now you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. Now you will have to simply go with this option. Simply you will have to click on this option. You can see here like this, and when you will click on this option you will get here 2 type of option on your phone's display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 3 option or 1 option, so don't worry about anything. So simply you will have to start all those operations whatever showing on your phone's display. Now you can see here the first option is showing here operation not started, and the same second option is showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start these operations by clicking on these option, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test pass message like this. I'm going to do here test started, the second option test started, test failed, okay. You will have to continue click on these options until you get a single test passed message, okay, like this. It's a time taking process, so keep patience and continue clicking on these options. It's a time taking process. Maybe you will have to click on this option 10 times or 20 times. Now you can see here a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone's display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. My forgotten pattern, password and pin unlocked properly, okay. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So what will I have to do to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. You can see here. Now you will have to simply click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not, okay. Now I'm going to clicking on this option like this. Now you can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked and all the application which were in my phone before my phone was locked as it is as in my phone. So this trick really works. If your phone unlocked with this trick, then do the like this video. If your phone could not unlock with this video, then wait for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much. So see you in the next video with the next steps.